Today we're making fire with the help of our new 6-in-1 fire starters from Extremus. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to light a fire too. Inside the box, you can find 2 sets of fire starters. They come complete with a compass, a nice thumb groove to hold, a whistle, a scraper and striker that's attached to a handy paracord rope, and then your magnesium rod that's rated up to 16,000 strikes. To create a spark, just run the scraper along the side of the fire starter and aim it in the direction of your tinder. The sparks will jump off at a hot 5,500 degrees. It makes starting fires easy. If you're having trouble catching your tinder, you can scrape off some of the magnesium using the scraper side of the tool. Me personally, I prefer to use an old knife to strike so I can have a better grip on the striker. Then if your wood is damp and you can't get it to light, I'll bring some cotton balls soaked in rubbing alcohol. I put that in the middle of the tinder pile, launch a spark into it, and it lights right up in seconds. This cotton ball method is actually easier than a lighter in my opinion. I took it to my campsite, and I used it to light my camping stove, and then a campfire. I had fire all through the night thanks to this. Then when I work on my hiking trails, I'll keep this in my bag for those just in case moments. If I get lost, I can use the compass to navigate back. And then if I get really lost, I can use it to make a campfire and stay warm till morning. Not to mention, I can use the handy little whistle to scare off predators and alert others that are around. I've never made a flint and steel fire before purchasing this, and I'm proud to know that I can make a fire in a pinch without a lighter. Now I need to learn the bow drill method. So if you're looking to start a fire in a more primitive fashion, yet still have some handy features to get you through the woods, this pack of fire starters might just be for you. Till next time, I'm heading back out to the woods to work on my hiking trails. See ya!